Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on account down here, and you just click here on account. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above the sign, you click on it. So when you click in this sign, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So it's going to show for you here, folio delivery here. Just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. And here can you select folio delivery preferences if you want to add it for email or branch here. Then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.